Hello. Today we will look at the new 70Mai 4K budget Dashcam. I just received this box today. Let's see what its contents is. Let's see. Open the box, and first we have here the user manual, and that's how you install the Dashcam. Yeah, that's empty, and we have the
battery is low. Please connect to the car charger. The battery is low.
Dashcam.
Please connect to the car charger. Low battery. It is about to turn off.
This code. There's 4 buttons here in the back. You have to read in the manual what is what. This is just written in Chinese. Notice your download for video code to PC for a better watching experience. Yeah. That's the power button. Here's the camera. Input 5 volts. Like this. On the other side there's space for a micro SD card. There's a power supply, and there's an interface for AV in. Okay, let's see if we have more. There's a plug for power, cigar plug, and we have a fixture to set the dash cam on the window. A little tool. And here we have the cable, USB, mini USB. We have the tool. We have the glue fixture to window. We have this snap on, snap off. So you can just easy take the cam off. Okay, very nice. Yeah, then we have to install it and see how it works. Okay, thank you. We return in another video on the install of the Dashcam.